Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn the camera timer off on Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the camera app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once the camera app is open, look for the timer icon at the top of the screen and select it. Right now, the timer is activated. Step 3. If you plan to use the timer, it allows you to press the shutter button and wait a few seconds before the photo is taken. This is useful for group shots or selfies. Step 4. To turn the timer off, tap the timer icon again and select the off option. This disables the countdown feature entirely. Step 5. To confirm the timer is off, try taking a photo. The camera should snap the picture instantly without any delay. That's it. You've successfully turned off the camera timer on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.